Hey guys, it's Young Wealth. Now today we're gonna make a video about LCX, right? Because LCX right now is down 6.3% on the daily, on the weekly it's down 17%. And today I want to make a video on why you should try and accumulate 11,000. Because right now, if you look at LCX, it looks like we're in a bear market, which we pretty much are. This is pretty much as low as it's gonna get, in my opinion. Like it's gonna go, it could go lower if we break this resistance. If we break this resistance here, right here, if we break this support, we can see a lot lower prices and we can see a free fall. But at the end of the day, I doubt we break it. Because the last time we hit the support level, look what happened. We went on a rally. We went on a rally upwards. And I believe in 2026 being a bull run, because the bull run has been so lame. And we have haven't had a bull run. We really haven't had a big bull run where all outs are moving. Now, the stock market is up every single day. The stock market is up all the time at this point. Now, what I do believe is stock market money will start to trickle into cryptocurrencies. Now, why do I believe that? Because that's how it's happened every time. Like, if you look at the bull run before, in 2021, we had sectors taking place at different times. That sectors were having their bull runs at different times. Now, LCX is in the finance/exchange sector, and it's the only regulated exchange right now. So I do believe we have a lot more room to grow, because at the end of the day, I know we've took a big crash here and a lot of people have lost a lot of money, but on the bright side, we are still nowhere near the 3 cent lows. Like, we're still up 300% compared to where we were. Now, if we go to the yearly, it looks a bit ugly. This is where things get ugly, because it was at 39 cents, now it's at 9. So that's like I'll say a 4x away from its all-time high. If you just go to the graph, we can see how far away that is from all-time high. We can actually make this bigger. Sorry about the wait. Let me just get a short position from here all the way down to this line here. We are actually down 77%. We're down 77% on the dip. Now, if that don't scream bear market, I don't know what does, because guys, this is an opportunity to buy more. Like, this is I would wait for it to do consolidation. I would not buy on support. I would buy when I get confirmation. So what's confirmation? Confirmation is when, okay, this support gets tested and we stay above it, and we kind of consolidate like this. We consolidate and make a structure there. Because buying here is a dangerous thing to do. The main reason being is because it could drop more. It could break support. But if Bitcoin just discovers new price action to the upside, we can see it actually have a neat bounce back. Now, I said in this video, get 10,000 LCX or 11,000 LCX for a reason, because it's a coin that was once 300 million in market cap. Now, when I say get 10,000 LCX, I don't just mean buy it in one go. Of course, you can work your way to that amount. You can add 15 a day, 20 a day, not financial advice. I'm just educating myself. This is my documentary. This is what I do. I just add 15 a day here and there. And bit by bit, you see your portfolio start to increase, even if we're in a bear market. So when we get the uptrend and we go back to 300 million, now you're reaping the rewards. Because look, it went all the way to 300 million, guys. If we go over here, we went all the way to 300 million. If you just tip it over here, 285 million. And over here, we went to 281 million. So to get back to those levels, we now need to like 3x, damn near 3x the price point. So it's a 3x that you can see in a positive way or a negative way. Me personally, I want to actually accumulate more, because it's coming back to the level where we was at before. It was coming back to that bottom it was at before. So this is a new opportunity. Remember, guys, this is an exchange that is regulated, and it's an exchange that always is active. Like, I know people in the comment section saying, another day, another dump. Bulls, look away, bears, take a look. Let's have a look at this. because people are saying it's gonna go lower than this. Let's just see. So, okay, that's not even LCX. That's Bitcoin. But there's a lot of FUD behind this coin because apparently Monty sold. It says the writing's on the wall, bearish as F. Going up rip to all-time highs with everything else soon. I believe we go to all-time highs. I believe that. I believe we go to all-time highs because at the end of the day, yes, the market's red today, but let's be honest with you guys. Bitcoin at 101K. How is that bearish? How is that bearish? Bitcoin at 101K. Bitcoin was once 15K. Bitcoin was once 64K. So how are people panicking more than they ever panicked before? They're panicking more than they ever panicked before. So with LCX, you gotta understand that I feel like it's a good amount to own at least 11,000 because it puts you in an area where if it goes to $10 one day, well that's $100,000 back. Now am I saying it's gonna happen? No, but I believe in I believe in a one-digit LCX. I do. I believe in a one-digit LCX. I believe in $1, $2, or $3 to this day because it won't take that much for it to move that high. Main reason being is because if it's just time to circulate supply by 949 million by $3, that only means a $2.8 billion market cap, which in my opinion is very achievable. And when it comes to how much you make of LCX, it depends where it goes, but I do believe over $1 billion is very viable for LCX. I'm not just saying that to say, I'm saying it because it's literally the Coinbase of Europe. Repeat, it's literally the Coinbase of Europe. So people can flood this coin as much as they want, but it can do an OKB move. It can do a similar move to OKB. If you look at OKB, it's down bad now, but it had a pump all the way to $200 or $300. Now it's down bad because Bitcoin's brought back down, but look at this pump. We're going to have a similar pump to this. It went from 45 or 47 all the way to 226. Now it's split in half. That's why crypto is volatile. That's why you invest what you can afford to lose. Don't invest what you can't afford to lose because that's not the right way to go about things. Now, when it comes to LCX, if we go on the website, we can take a look if there's any new updates. I haven't really checked the website out for a while. Let me just update it real quick. So, there you got products. Let's see if you got any products. Let's see. It's not going to load. It says crypto integrity. We build blockchain infrastructure that enables our clients to trade, store, invest into the crypto assets. Yeah, this is an exchange that's regulated. A lot of people do not have that say. A lot of exchanges do not have that say. Now, this don't want to load, so I'm going to end it there. But if you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. It was doing well for another one. I'll be back later with more videos. Peace.